Hey Keith, hope you're well. Why? How did I mess up on Hey Keith, hope you're well? That's insane. Like how? Hey Keith, hope you're well. This is how it always works. You will get it wrong. So I want to say, hey Keith, hope you're well. Had a really great call with you yesterday because he's a client that I'm sending a proposal to a client that I called yesterday. Hope you're well. I had a great time having you on the phone yesterday with you and your colleague. Nope. I rambled on for quite a long time, don't you think? Oh my god, what happened? I can't even put it up. Hey guys, so right now I decided I'm going to show you what I'm going to be saying, how it works, because I'm trying to document the process. The camera battery is low. Hey guys, Sam from NewMarketingU, and from this day on, well not from this day on, but for probably the next sets of videos or whenever I can, I will be trying to document the process. This is something that I heard from Gary Vee actually.
Document versus create. There are 1,000 people watching this right now that if they started making Snapchat stories, Instagram stories, YouTube videos, Facebook videos, documenting what they're doing, eating this lunch, taking my kid to school, this is who my uncle is, this is my sister. They started documenting instead of like, ooh, let me make a video about like how the sun comes up, or like, my biggest belief is so many of you should be documenting your journey of becoming an intern, of moving from college to the real life, going through your divorce.
And I didn't really understand why Gary would say that, right? Like, document the process. It's like, why? Like, is it because I'm running out of content? Is it because I'm boring and I have nothing else to say? But I guess I understand it now more than ever. Because now, as I own a business, especially a marketing agency, documenting the process is important because you get to see people like me. I get to see people like you and your kind of rise and your come up, and how hard it is for you to kind of be the best in your industry, or how hard it is for you to get clients and so on. And I think it's inspirational. Like, it's so inspirational. My friend Leo was telling me, and he's one of my business partners, he was telling me, you know, I inspired him because there's something that he wants to do too, alongside what we're doing. And I told him, hey Leo, I think I'm going to do something different. We get our clients through cold email. And I said, Leo, wouldn't it be amazing if we find another organic strategy? Because cold email is one of our best organic strategies that works really well for us, that gets us deals booked in with 7, 8 figure, 9 figure businesses, and also $1 billion corporates and stuff like that. So if I find another organic system, it will be really good, not just for me, but for the people that I also want to like teach. It will be great to kind of show people, hey, I kind of know how to do this, you know what I'm saying? And I could teach you. You could actually learn from the videos that I've uploaded, the sort of documentary of what I'm doing, the process and stuff. So in this video, show what I'm doing, and hopefully some people find it inspirational. Hopefully some people start to do something, and know that there's a lot of hard work involved in your dreams and the things that you want to accomplish. It's not super easy or whatever. Alright guys, I'm super sweaty. You can see it from here. Just got off I just done a video proposal, and need to reply to a few people. Well, I need to do a lot of stuff. Anyway guys, I'll speak to you soon. Bye. Okay, so part of documenting the process, I used to use a software, I don't know if you can see this, I might show it on another screen, called Vidyard. Now what Vidyard would do would be, I could record my face and the screen while like prospecting. So I'm speaking to a client about, you know, at that time it was restaurants and their websites. Now it's of course marketers and business consulting firms and coaches. Like right now, when I'm trying to close sales, sometimes I do this. I might use Vidyard so a client may understand or a prospect that wants to turn into a client can understand things a little more visually. And I think it gives them that comfort of knowing, oh, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about, and they can see the process visually. So fascinating that I'm going back to using Vidyard, because when it comes to going live, which is a thing I'm going to be experimenting with, Vidyard works in pretty much the same way. You can't really edit the video or edit your cuts or your mistakes, so you pretty much have to try to nail it in one shot if you can, and that's one skill that I've been trying to train a lot, and I feel like YouTubers have mastered the skill. That's why it's so important for me, if this is the way I communicate to get clients, learning how to record, press record, and not stumble over your words, not say or a lot. I know I fall victim to that, but I think it really does help in these scenarios, because the more I can send videos off without pausing or saying and the better it would be for my client to feel confident in me, and also for me to have like confidence in myself. You know, I don't want to keep saying and in certain things, right? I want to be confident that I can just snap it right away, because it's going to be pretty nerve-wracking doing it the first time, but I guess you have to step out of your comfort zone. All right, thanks guys, see you in a bit. I can't even put it up. Hey guys, so right now I decided I'm going to show you what I'm going to be saying on the video proposal. Well, not everything, but I'll just show you how it works, because I'm trying to document the process. The camera battery is low, so, and the laptop battery is low, so I gotta do this pretty quickly. Don't even know what happened to my tripod, but okay. A full battery on the camera this time, 34% on the laptop. Don't know if you can see it. 34% on the laptop. So let's just see how it goes. I'm going to flop a lot of times, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Well, I have to make sure that the lighting, and the thing on the video, I'll show you, hold on a second. I have to make sure this is perfect. Flipping out. Okay, whew, and I'm sweating. It's hot in London right now. Hey Keith, hope you're well. Why? How did I mess up on Hey Keith, hope you're well? That's insane. Like, how? Hey Keith, hope you're well. This thing, it doesn't allow you to cut, like to edit some things, but I guess, like I said, it's going to train you to be better at one take jobs, right? This is how it always works. We'll get it wrong the first number of times you do it, but it gets better, trust me. Let's do this again. So I want to say, hey Keith, hope you're well. Had a really great call with you yesterday, because he's a client that I'm sending a proposal to a client that I called yesterday. He sounded really intrigued, so we're just going to see what he thinks. I'm sending a proposal and this video just to make it like a lot better, I guess, you know. So let's get into it. Okay. Hey Keith, hope you're well. I had a great time having you on the phone yesterday with you and your colleague, and I just thought I should send you a business proposal as you had wanted, and also I thought I could record the screen for you and show you some. Nope, I rambled on for quite a long time, don't you think? Sometimes I don't know, maybe I'm being hard on myself, but you know, you just want to be straight to the point. I don't think they would want to hear. Damn it. Okay, is this again? Talking like a lot of crap, and I don't even know if it started recording. Like, okay. Oh my god, what happened? The thing just stopped. Okay, I guess we're gonna try this again. This has been 7 minutes of this video. You're probably not going to see it because we're going to cut this video, so it'll be shorter. But trust me, the process is much longer than the video. Hey Keith, hope you're well. It was great having you on a call yesterday with you and your colleague. Right now we are going to send you the business proposal, but we just thought it would be great to actually get a video mini proposal too. It might make it faster for you guys, I'm not sure, but you can actually see step by step of sort of the things that we'll be working on and the things that, you know, we're looking into. That wasn't really a good one. Hey Keith, hope you're well. It was great having you on a call yesterday with you and your colleague, and we are going to send a actual business proposal to you. It'll be attached in the email, but we thought we should send a video so you could probably see the process of things, and hopefully it allows you to get a better understanding of the things that we do, and it just might be faster to digest. So we just thought, let's send this video. Now this video will be in a Vidyard link. Of course you'll know about it when you click on it, but yeah, you can just click on it and this video will play for you. Thing is, the pricing of this whole thing might seem like people will be like, oh, I don't know, etc. We're not like the cheapest, but we are the best, and grow businesses with leads like we've been able to do for, you know, actual giant corporations. And all right, Keith, it was great speaking to you, and we'll send this proposal and this video to you as soon as possible. All right, talk to you later, guys. Bye. Oh my god, I kind of messed up towards the end. I was like, I don't know what I was saying, but it's fine. That's it.